Hello, glad to see you again. Today, the lesson is a T sound. 10. Talk, tomato, ticket, title, tennis, telephone. Student, steak, photo, pretty, upstairs, potato, button. Treat, cut, what, want, need, knit, count. Decide, fruit, dinner, bud, card, ride, damage, ladder. Sentences. I took the train with my teacher to a town to take the test. I saw a turtle playing tennis with a tiger and a turkey. Finally, the cases of American T sound. T at the beginning of a word. It took Tim 10 times to try the telephone. T in the middle of a word. City, better, water, computer, Saturday, mother, bottle. T at the end of a word. What, hot, get, one. T before N, mountain, barren, sullen. T after N, interview, internet, interact. T through the dialogue, love story. A. Honey, are you free tonight? B. No, my time is not for you. A. It doesn't matter to me. Please give me a try. B. What the hell are you doing? Let me go now. A. That's given me a certain time. I love you better. B. I have an important interview now. A. Oh no, the winner is coming and no better. That's all. I hope you have a good time with T Sound. And now, goodbye.